Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us today for this video. This really should have been part of video number 8 for the CSV. It's more of these quote things. So it's going to be a super short video, but we got to get through it. So let's just get it done, shall we? All right. What's wrong, you stupid machine? Did I hit the right button?
Instructs reader objects to perform now special processing of quote characters. CSV.quote_not null. Instructs writer objects to quote all fields which are not none. This is similar to quote_all, except that if a field value is none an empty, unquoted, string is written. Instructs reader objects to interpret an empty, unquoted, field as none and to otherwise behave as quote_all. CSV.quote_strings. Instructs writer objects to always place quotes around fields, which are strings. This is similar to quote_non-numeric, except that if a field value is none an empty, unquoted, string is written. Instructs reader objects to interpret an empty, unquoted, string as none and to otherwise behave as quote_non-numeric.
Okay. This is so kludgy. I hope you guys understand what this is. I'm really starting to be disappointed in this whole CSV module. It's turning out to be a lot less useful than I thought it would be. I went in it because I've been researching. Everybody says you got to know how to handle these CSV files. You got to have the CSV module. Right, okay. So here we go. On the bright side, there's only 15 videos in this series, and it's all downhill from now on. Anyway, sorry for wasting your time, Princess, but we got to get through this, okay? And then after this series, we're starting the Django. All right? All right. Now you guys go out and have fun today. And we'll see you in the next video. All right.